Hi everyone, we have a new feature coming up in the next release of TaxCalc, and this is drop-down lists for custom fields. So if we go into Admin Center, go to Customize Practice Manager, and at the very bottom of the list here we'll see custom fields. I'm a big fan of custom fields, really useful for interrogating your database and recording really important information about your clients. So we're going to create a new field here. We're going to pop this in the engagement section of Practice Manager, and I'm going to make this applicable to all client types. You don't have to. We've got a variety of different field types within custom fields that we've had for many years. We've added a new one in there called dropdown. So I'm going to use this to record who is responsible for the bookkeeping as far as a client is concerned. So is it going to be the client doing the bookkeeping themselves? Perhaps it's an employee of the client. Maybe it's an external bookkeeper. Or let me add another option in there. Could be us. We could be doing the bookkeeping for the client. So I'm going to save that option now as a custom field. Come out of Admin Center. So now if I go into Practice Manager and go into a client, then I am able to come down to the engagement section and set who is responsible for the bookkeeping for this client. So I'm going to say this client is responsible for doing the bookkeeping themselves. Now the reason this is really useful is if I want to target all my clients that currently do the bookkeeping themselves, perhaps using a specific type of bookkeeping software, so in this case they're using Xero, then I can just run a report, drill down to that list of clients that are doing it themselves using Xero, and I can approach them with a targeted mailer to suggest that perhaps we have a conversation about bringing the bookkeeping in-house. So custom fields, very powerful. We've had a new option, the drop-down list. Let me know if that's useful for you. Let me know how you might be using that drop-down list in your own custom fields. Any thoughts or comments, please put them below. Thank you.